was a French dish or something. Oh my god, these things are ice cold!
If you don't like them ice cold, I'll warm them up in the microwave! You're sure to appreciate the fact that this microwave has been recently thoroughly cleaned. How do you open a piece of shit? Oh yeah! Oh yeah, it's clean, alright! Sparkling clean! Caravan! Get a shot of that microwave. There we go! Now we play the waiting game! Ah! Whoops! Here, Caravan, catch! It's dinner with Helen. Hello, everybody, from inside a microwave.